To fix the issue of a creator account that can't be private on Instagram, follow these steps. First, understand that Instagram has specific requirements for creator accounts, which may limit certain features, including the ability to switch to a private account. Step 1. Check your account type. Ensure you are using a creator account, and if so, review the terms of service to see if there are any restrictions on your account. Step 2. Switch to a personal account. If the issue persists, try switching to a personal account and then back to a creator account to see if the problem resolves itself. Step 3. Contact Instagram support. If the issue still persists, contact Instagram support directly and explain the situation. They can provide further assistance and help resolve the issue. Additionally, review your account settings. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date, and review the account requirements for creators to ensure you are meeting the necessary criteria. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and make your creator account private if needed. Remember to always review the terms of service and account requirements to avoid any issues in the future.